In this video, we'll be looking at some negative rates from Unit 5, Lesson 12. Today's goals are to be able to solve problems that involve negative rates, and also those that involve multiplying and dividing rational numbers. So let's look at a first problem. If a scuba diver steadily descends 100 feet in 2 minutes, could you write an equation to compare the diver's depth, we'll call that y, with the number of minutes she dives? Okay, because the scuba diver is going at a steady pace and they're starting at 0, this is going to be a proportional relationship. So we want to find our constant of proportionality. So when we're doing that, we can take 100, the negative 100, because she's going down, divided by 2, to find that the constant of proportionality is negative 50. She is going negative 50 feet per minute. When we write an equation, it's going to follow the format y equals negative 50x. And if you check, 2 times negative 50 is negative 100, so we put those in the correct position. All right, problem 2. There's another scuba diver, and her descent can be represented by the equation y equals negative 66x. So y is the elevation, x is the time in minutes. How long will it take this scuba diver to make a deep dive that descends 200 feet? See if you can figure that out. So if there's a 200 feet descent, we're going to call that negative 200, and we can substitute that in for y into our equation. So negative 200 equals negative 66x. To figure out what x is in this case, we're going to divide negative 200 by negative 66. And we get 3.03 with the 0 and the 3 both repeating. That's going to be a time in minutes. And so it's going to take approximately 3.03 minutes for the scuba diver to get a deep dive level. Notice here our negative divided by a negative equal to positive, and that made sense. Our important ideas from today: first, we can represent speed with direction, velocity, using sign numbers, and we can do this with vertical movement or any rate. Sometimes we even do it with the left and right horizontal movements. Typically, we say moving up is the positive direction and down is the negative direction. This is kind of pulling ideas from many units together.